use a D2L document template for creating content, first navigate to the Content tab in your D2L course. Navigate to the module where you want to create the content and select the Upload Create button. Navigate to Create a File, which is the third item in the Upload Create menu. Enter a title for your content item. From the Select a Document Template button to the right of the title, select the type of file you would like to create. For this example, I'll choose the syllabus template. Now I have a template in my course, which I can edit for the needs of my course. When I am done editing the template, select Save and Close at the bottom. If you need to return to your document at any point to edit it, select the drop-down arrow next to the name of the content item and select Edit HTML. Now you can continue editing your document. The Copy From template has a lot of different types of features that you can copy and add into your template. For example, a large number list. I can highlight from the Start Copy through the End Copy, hit Control-C on my keyboard or Command-C on a Mac, and then navigate back to the template that I've already created in the syllabus. I can then select Edit HTML, put my cursor where I want the list to be, and hit Control-V on my keyboard or Command-V on a Mac. I would then delete the Start Copy text and the End Copy text, and now I have a numbered list in my syllabus. If I wanted to add more items to the list, I would simply put my cursor at the end of the previous one and hit Return on my or Enter on my keyboard, and now I have another item. I can also just backspace and delete items if I don't need as many as are listed there. If you see Latin text, that just means it's a placeholder for text that needs to be deleted. I can also just delete any items that are in here that I don't need by highlighting the information and hitting Delete on my keyboard. Hit Save and Close when you are ready to save. Thanks for watching.